too long. So we're gonna make a video. I mean, why not, right? Alright, first, reposition us a light. Got this one just barely working out anyway, so, but put us a light out here somewhere. We've got one. Actually, I already have two up there. Now I just need, I got a cherry and a blueberry. So what we're going to do, I think blueberry can go here. I like the cherry over there. So you got to carefully attach all our flavor on each end. Oh yes, this is perfect. All right, there we go. It's a little chillier than I thought it was going to be. Probably going to have to go get my hat. Swoopity swabbity swoop that up to there. It's not really weight rated for that, but it'll be okay. Ooh. I'm changing the weight rating. Great, now it's all overexposed. Today's video is sponsored by $1.20 worth of car wash. I can see why they were selling it for so cheap. Might be a little dust on the bottle. Alright, we're going to put them on the shelf. Get a good wash going tomorrow. It's cold. I'm going to go get my hat. Be right back. Well, I've lost it. I haven't lost it. Alright, now that we're back on track, just want to say, it was, ooh, buddy, it was like 63 earlier, so I didn't heat the garage, I didn't do anything to stay warm, and then now it's telling me that it's 50 outside, so I mean I just have a long sleeve t-shirt, some regular pants and stuff on, like I'm not bundled up, so it's my only warmth, but I kind of like that way, because then if I get sweaty, not too hot, cool off quickly, yada yada yada. Dog fight in the background. Happening today, I'm going to put these on. Put these on my corner posts. Not corner posts. Where am I putting them? Put these on my hood for my ditch lights, so I can look overlandy. Yeah, because I mean they're just sitting around. I got nothing to do. These are super tiny, so we'll, you know. When I bought them, it said that 8 of them were 12,000 lumens ish, 12,800. So 8 of them divided by 12 gonna be 1,600 lumens a piece. I didn't actually even use my phone for that. I went over and did some scribble table math. So let me just triple dipple check that. Yeah, so I'm definitely an idiot, just in case you were wondering. So anyway, we're going to be putting those on the corners of the hood, the ditch lights. I have some magnetic mounts. But y'all, I think these are going to start to be my new best friend. I just made another project, which I haven't really showed anyone about, but I think I might do a video about it. But these magnets, super strong. 25-pound breakaway. Comes with some little mounting hardware, which is going to be perfect for me. And it's like $8. Excuse me. So, all of that in store for today. So here's my rat's nest. It's actually not that bad. It's pretty bad, but it's really not that bad. I kept it all over here just because, you know, I really needed it to be somewhere that was open. I've seen this done on like forums and stuff where the windshield washer box is moved. I've got it on a little support back there. Anyway, this is my rat's nest of this evening. I've got a few relays here. I have to figure out which one is which here. I have a label maker coming, so I can label these, all of these. But I have a really thick gauge wire. It's a very sturdy wire running to the power block. All the power block is, you know, evenly distributed across. Everything has a fuse. If these are waterproof relays, they have inline fuses. These are not waterproof relays, which I should probably put some oxidation grease on these terminals, but they have these fuses built right in. So I bought them. That's why I like them. They have a little bit different wiring diagram. And I kind of go through like some evolution process, so I'm, you know, lazy, and I've got some waterproof wire nuts, and I've got some heat shrink, I've got some clip-ons, I've got a ground here that I've made that goes down to the frame that I really like. It's very, very nice. It has a lot of connectivity. It's very stout. So, I mean, I've done just about everything I can to be safe. I have a whole bunch of stuff that's in guards. I have a whole bunch of stuff that's not in guards. So, I don't know. Sue me. But, so, one of these are my marker lights. One of those is my square pod. And one is these, and one are these high beam round pods that I have, and one of these fog lights I have in the back over there too. And then I also have a fan relay that's up at the top. So that one could be in a better place. I might try to move that someday. Anyway, so I'm pretty sure it's this one. All I have to do is pull the fuse and I can figure it out, but I'm pretty sure it's this one because it's the second one I added. And I'm just going to run off of this, power off of that, and ground it. That's all I have to do because it's already run on a switch. It's already run on ground and all kinds of stuff, so I just need to tap into that. So figure out how to do that in just a moment. So I'm going to pull this fuse just because, like I said, I'm suspicious that it's the first one. I'll go in here to the cab. I still have power. I don't actually need to kill the power because it's already on a switch. Okay, no, so that one is actually, that one is not my lights. That one is my markers. So, okay, cool. Well, I mean, that's still how it goes. Let's just double check. And then this will also prove if that fuse is even doing anything. Alright, yeah, see. That's not nothing. So, okay, we'll turn them off. Oop, got caught. Come back over here. I got tons of these, so we'll just throw this fuse in the scrap pile. And then, it looks like I can pull some wire through the hood. And then just run it around the bottom. I think I have something I can guard the wire with. So I'm just going to run it across where the... I'm just going to run it across where the washer fluid line goes. And pull it out and around, and I don't even know, man. We're going to figure it out, though. So I'll probably rob either this, maybe this fuse and this wire right here. I mean this wire shield right here. I'll probably rob that to pull through. So what we'll do is we'll turn you around here. Where'd my, had a blueberry, another blueberry. So just gonna measure. Just gonna measure real quick. I don't know, roughly 5 and 2, so 8 feet. Gonna do about 8 feet of wire. So that's about the length of my rug here, I think. Yeah. 9. So as long as the rug. So what we're also gonna do is I had some of these magnetic toe lights, and it's just been sitting on the shelf like 70 feet of wire, 60, 70 feet of wire, so this is perfect. That's exactly what I'm going to use, is some trailer wire. Darn tootin'. I'm not showing you how to do it, I'm showing you how I'm doing it. So I've been trying to do this trick that I saw on the internet, and it's got, you know, a wrench, some wire. He tucked it in there just like that. Well, I guess it kind of works. Yeah, you just got to be slower. It kind of popped on me. Look at that. I've got a 1/4 inch to, I don't know, 18 or 20 gauge wires. Boom. Popped right through. See if we can just lead her right into the next one. Well, yep, same difference. Killed her. Killed her on the first pull. Look at that, it's even pulling through the second one. I know you got a terrible angle on this, I'm sorry, I'm bad. This is the first video, don't forget, y'all. Oh, also, I just noticed this wire is green. I'm red-green colorblind, so sometimes it's fun for me. But, yeah, so. Anyway. Struggles with camera. Okay. Heard my neighbor. Whoops. Heard my neighbor come home. Oh yeah. What you want to do is drop everything on the floor. Make sure everything gets grounded. That's what that means. Lose your magnet. There it is. Alright, now I won't lose it. Look, throw your camera off. Didn't even see y'all. Across the garage to the land of the spare parts. Let's come over here to my dad's side to rob some stuff. I don't really see. Oh, looky there. It just might be. Something for you guys. That may or may not be an angle. Oops. That old one will do it. Oh, looky there. That old one will do it. Okay. I'd say that's a success. Okay, I'm going to go with the pretty gold one the first time, because it's already... Oh, man, these are really strong. They're almost too strong. I think after I'm done mocking them up, I'm going to put a piece of tape under it. Look at that, and it's good. Well, they're not really 10s, but a 10 will kind of work. Alright, so now what I'm looking at is if I should put it there and cut it. Because I don't want it there. Yeah. Put it there and cut it. And you know, I'm also actually going to go ahead. I mean, it doesn't really need a whole lot. So we're going to go ahead and just mock it all the way. There we go. Now we can cut it. So see, I just marked where I could on the outside, and then I'm just going to guesstimate because it's still going to be pretty good. And then take the second one. All right. Main reason I don't want to cut it with the grinder is because it's loud, it's late, all kind of people sleeping. Own garage, even though it's pretty dirty anyway. That's not considered littering. And put the saw back where it goes. Alright, so now go back over yonder, and we're going to mock up the light on the back side. See where that goes. Micrometer level, trying to get it. Okay. Put one of these back up on here. Cold coffee. Oh, they're just the safety goggles. We don't need that. I got my safety squint. See, I'm hoping this will be easier. I I won't have to. Yeah, I was afraid of that. I really hope y'all been level most of this time. Alright, everything's nice and jagged, just like we like it. Here we go. One cheap LED mounting light brackets. There's a nut inside there, and I'm trying to catch it. I'm going to shine this like so. Anyway, okay. So let's get the wrong kind of bit. Drill the right kind of holes. Guys, I'm only half stupid. Alright. You joined me on a new camera battery. And we got the hole drilled here. Hadn't seen if it worked or not yet because I was too busy picking up all my tools. It's still warm, but it works. Okay. Now, custom design. So what is this, a 12? So we're gonna hit this with the old cheapo. Because if we hit it chip and fast. Oh man, I don't like using these 12 point, but here we go. See, hit it super cheap and fast. Bam, bam, zip tieable hole for the lighting. Shabam. Make sure that this is tight. There we go. Okay, there we go. You don't get to see it until it's done. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, be very carefully get some more wire out of here to work with. There we go. Come over to my handy dandy 12 volt electrician's box. Shrinkable heat. I'm gonna have to find a lighter. So like I said, folks, since I thought that this was red and white, it's gonna be green and white, and it's gonna be okay. So I kind of want to do it like this, but I want to do it like this too, because I like the way that the connection goes here. But we're just gonna have to do it the old-fashioned. So I'm actually doubling it. See, so I'm gonna have one over each, and then have one over the whole assembly here. So keep my red. So we're gonna go ahead and hit that one real quick. Doesn't need too much. My cat's trying to come outside. Alright, and now I've tucked them both back in the original sleeve. I'm going to pull this heat shrink all the way up, right up to it. He is making a lot of noise in there. And cut a little bit back here to slip it over the edge so that maybe, yeah, I don't know if you can see. Boom. Seal that puppy right up. Boom. See? Alright, I'm happy with that. So then what I can do, I can pull my wire guard right up to it. Tape. Alright. Whatever. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull this across the truck and then probably move and work over there on the next light. So first magnetic light, charm. So pull all of that like so. If you don't have like a long piece of metal like this, use yourself a coat hanger, or I mean, you could probably just feed it. If you have something like this, probably just feed it really easily through there, you know, by itself. I mean, I'm getting this piece of metal through here like no problem. I think I'm just going to go right there. I don't want to make it too complicated. I don't want to pull through this hole. I don't know what's going on there. Let me get some tape. No, poorly. See? Pretty much fed it all the way through there. So, you know, you don't need any fancy wire pulling deals. I want to do. Alright, so I'm doing the same thing with this light as I'm doing with the other light. So I'll be right back. And alright, and we're back, baby. Our old maker there. Alright, so what I'm hoping to do is kind of like merge these in line a little bit, but I'm going to have to cut the whole thing anyway, so basically I just want to see like into the hood, something about, I don't know, maybe right there. I'll give myself just a little more. Do quick surgery here. Now, I ain't burning the truck down yet, so, you know, if you want to comment about that, go for it. Double twisty for the win. I swear I saw somebody coming up here. I stabbed myself. I don't know, maybe not. I don't like to hit those for too long because then I'm going to put this one on there. Slide the wire, heat shrink all the way back down. Make sure it goes back and forth twice. So, I'm going to see if I can't. No, it's going to be too much, but that's okay. We're just going to hit it like this. There we go, wire shrunk. Pick up our tools here. Let's see if we can get a little bit of right on the edge, boy. I like it. I'll probably figure out how to get them to go straight, but right now I just don't care. Rat's nest. Got the ground right there. Right. I don't really like these clamps because on one side it has a stop and the other side it goes all the way through. So what I like to do is I'll just drill it out so I can lay the wire all the way through either hole. Just a little tip. Alright, that should be it. Right along next to your brother down there. Just turn her back in. Nice caution yellow safety tie. And get this one trimmed up. We'll get this one trimmed up too, because I know the internet doesn't love it. Oh boy. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna have to, yeah. I mean, they're gonna have to get straightened out. Alright. Let's see, you got almost going, battery's gonna die. Oh boy. That'll work. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Super appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever. Delete the video off your playlist history, burn your computer. I don't care what you do. Comment whatever you want on however badly job I did. And yeah, stay tuned. I hope I get to use these bad boys someday. For now, peace out.